An educationalist, life coach, and a motivational speaker, former high performance manager of the Nepal national cricket team. Next judge needs no introduction. I'll just say the name, Mr. Suraj Singh Thakuri. A household name in the Nepali television industry and still entertaining people on the screen with his latest presentation on television. There you go. Thank you for making my job easy. Next up, we have Mr. Ashish Prasad, founder, chairperson of Future Tech and AI Solutions Private Limited, also active in the field of media and production since 2007. मलाई नै जित्नु भएछ तपाईलाई हुन त अब उमेर पनि ग्याप त छ नि त हैन वेलकम आशिष जी नेक्स्ट अप हाम्रो चीफ जज हुनुहुन्छ श्रृंखला खतिवडा मिस नेपाल 2018 Beauty with a Purpose winner of Miss World 2018 र उहाँ an architect, an aspiring urban planner, and also the director of Gatha, an architectural firm. र अहिले हामी सबैजना त नेपाल फर्किङ छौं प्राय है जति पनि आउनु भएको छ कार्यक्रममा उहाँ चाहिँ 2 वर्ष बस्नुहुन्छ सो उहाँ चाहिँ होमसिक नहोस् भन्ने जिम्मेवारी छोडेर जाँदै छौं है त हामी नेक्स्ट अप मिस मलिना जोशी Miss Nepal 2012, a successful business owner of a clothing and makeup brand in Nepal, also an actress, a versatile woman in herself. Welcome, Malina. Next up, Dr. Sulochana Guru, a cosmetic and implant dentist in Queens, New York. She presented her groundbreaking research in International Association for Dental Research in LA and also received James English Research Award. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us today. And we have Monica Ghale, Miss Nepal North America 2018, inspiring young individual to a lot of girls who dream to become successful in life. Welcome, Monica. You look beautiful in red. हाम्रो अर्को जज हुनुहुन्छ अन्तिम जज आजको लागि यो एडिसन अफ मिस नेपाल नर्थ अमेरिका 2021 को लागि मिस साबु गोपाल खर्की, a popular lyricist and a poet who has 5 musical albums under her name. Wow! Also a producer in the Nepali cinema. र उहाँको सबैभन्दा popular contribution as a popular चाहिँ दर्पण छाया Part 2. So welcome to all the judges. Thank you so much. आज तपाईहरुको काम निकै नै गाह्रो छ. Pre-judging बाट कुनै जजले त थाहा पनि पाइसक्नु भएछ. तर tonight is going to be a difficult competition. So यो सबै भयो अब प्रतीक्षा हाम्रो कन्टेस्टेन्ट्सहरुकै हो त मैले बोलाउनु भन्दा पनि तपाईले चिच्चाएर बोलाउनुस् ल लेट्स मेक सम नोइज फर द फाइनलिस्ट अफ मिस नेपाल नर्थ अमेरिका 2021 Girls, are you ready backstage? DJ, are you ready with the music? What are we waiting for? Hit up the stage. Welcome, girls. in their cultural dress round. I think it's a beautiful way to start the show, don't you think? सबैजनालाई नेपाल मिस भइरहेको बेला हेर्नुहोस् नेपालको कुना काप्चाको झलक छैन त स्टेजमा. I think they represent all of Nepal. You look beautiful, girls. This is your moment. Tonight's show is about women, girls who chose a life for themselves, who dared to say, this is what I want to do, and this is the reason why they are on this stage. So girls, congratulations. Are you ready for a rocking show? Alright, अब सबैले फोटोजहरु हेर्नु भएको होला हाम्रो कन्टेस्टेन्ट्सहरुको कसैले चिन्नु पनि हुन्छ होला फ्रेन्ड्स एन्ड फ्यामिली आउनु भएको छ होला तर who exactly are they? What are their background? What do they aspire to become in life? We'll hear them in the introduction round right now. So contestant number 1, please come forward. Can we have the lights up a little bit? I think it's a bit too dark. Alright, are you ready? Contestant number 1, excited? A little bit nervous? Not at all, I don't think so. Alright, the mic is yours.
Thank you. Standing here to say, when it comes to privacy, no means no. Hello and namaste everyone. I'm Alina Rai, contestant number 1, originally from the beautiful city of Sanichar, Jhapa, Nepal, and currently residing in Atlanta, Georgia. My most favorite thing to do in this world is dance. When I dance, I feel like my true self. I feel like I'm flying. I'm participating in Miss Nepal North America to stand against rape culture. Rape culture is a social environment that allows sexual violence to be normalized, especially towards women and children. Rape has been used as a weapon of war and operation throughout the history. Along with Miss Nepal North America, I want to start a campaign to bring a positive impact in the community and educate upcoming generation to cultivate future feminists of the world. Standing here tonight makes me feel powerful. Talking about my outfit, I'm wearing this beautiful Maruni dress which represents Western and Mid-Western hills of Nepal. And it is purely a part of Nepali culture. And whenever I wear this dress, I feel the most beautiful that I can be. Thank you so much and have a wonderful life!
I agree with you. You look absolutely stunning, Alina, contestant number 1. Next up, contestant number 2. Join me in the center stage. Come on over.
Namaste, Chajalo, and good evening, everyone. My name is Alicia Guru, contestant number 2. From the paradise of Namjoon to living in New York, I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in health information technology. I am a person who believes that when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at also changes. Which is why I got to know Nepal has a lacking healthcare system. Nepal is lacking in a healthcare system and healthcare professions. That's why, due to that reason, I personally have experienced losing one of my loved ones. So one day in future, I would like to go back to Nepal and contribute my help to those people in need. And I want to use this platform to people who are lacking healthcare and support. And I want to be a person to make a difference. Tonight, I'm wearing this beautiful Gurung attire to represent my Gurung community. Thank you.
Absolutely stunning. These are not 18 contestants. These are 18 stories who have great potential to inspire so many others. Contestant number 3, come on, join me. Oh, we're twinning, almost. Good job.
You look stunning, by the way. Thank you.
Hello, New York!
So, okay, let me start the story. It was the year 2015. I almost died in the earthquake. that everybody remembers in this room. At that very moment, I realized that anything can happen in life. You're here today, you might not be here tomorrow. I understood the value of time, of life, about family and friends. And then I told myself I'm gonna live the best life, I'm gonna do whatever I wanna do. And tonight I'm here in front of you guys. Namaste everyone, my name is Chandni Lava. I'm lucky number 3. I'm 25 years old. My sweet home is in Chabal, Kathmandu, but I love living in states equally. As we can see the drastic effect of global warming, I really want to utilize my environmental science degree in some ways. And I inspire to be a storyteller. I want to promote people and the planet by positive aspects. I believe that I'm a work in progress, and I want to learn new skills and knowledges to fulfill my hunger for greatness. Tonight I'm wearing this dress, which reminds me of my mom. She wears a sari every day, like literally every day. She's so comfortable in sari that she can do yoga poses and everything. Just imagine like that. And the culture that I really wanted to show was basically Kathmandu. Like, as you can see me, it's all about fusion. I will say Kathmandu as a metaphor. It's about West and East, it's about tradition and modern. And the main reason I really wanted to wear this dress was I didn't want to buy another thing. I just used whatever I had. I came up with an idea, and I guess I look stunning, like all the ladies up in here. In the audience, probably everybody's wearing Gucci, Versace, some are also wearing Subic, Goodell, and everything. But I think what really is valuable is the water and the natural resources that we have back in Nepal, which has a lot of potentiality to build the national wealth. And I hope to perform my best, although I'm a nerd and I'm an introvert. Thank you so much for hearing me. I hope you guys want to see me more. Thank you.
Well, it's hard to believe that you're an introvert given the fact that you're here on stage, that spotlight hitting on your face and still shining bright. Contestant number 4, come on over. I don't think I can ever walk that gracefully on stage. No, you just beat the girls here.
Namaste and good evening, everyone. I am Dina Casey, contestant number 4, residing in New York. I was born in the village of Magdi and raised in the city of Kathmandu. Growing up, I got to experience the lifestyle of remote areas where poverty, illiteracy, and lack of women empowerment were present. I was privileged enough to get a quality education, but it is disheartening to know that all my Nepali brothers and sisters are going through this never-ending circle of poverty, which is why I volunteer my time with Magdi Samaj New York, a community with dedicated social workers driven to provide food, funds, and education to the needy people of my hometown. As a part of Miss Nepal North America, I want to encourage the involvement of every Nepalese and Nepalese American to come together and help eradicate this problem. Together, hand in hand, we can raise our nation's flag higher. Thank you, everyone.
उमेरमा यति साना छन् यी सबैजना है तर सपना कति ठुलो बुनिसकेको. It is such a pleasure to actually see everybody smile as they introduce themselves. Thank you for being a wonderful audience already. Next up, contestant number 5. Ready? We're ready too. Come on.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fiona Sherpa. I am originally from Kathmandu, Nepal, but I have been living in New York for past 9 years. Being a New Yorker has taught me to be tough and resilient. I'm very passionate about creative glamour field and fashion. There are people who judge a woman who love to wear makeup. I am a social advocate for women who wear makeup to empower themselves. I believe that it is up to the women to decide if they want to wear makeup or not. I want to be an entrepreneur and manufacture beauty supplies that are super affordable and accessible in every corner of Nepal in hopes of lifting women's self-spirit and self-confidence. And for my outfit today, I'm wearing this beautiful Sherpa dress called Bakku to represent my culture, my ethnicity. Thank you and namaste.
Thank you so much, contestant number 5. कस्तो important कुरा भनेर जानुभयो उहाँले. Such a simple thing. केटीहरूलाई मेकअप लगाउन रमाइलो लाग्छ, राम्रो लाग्छ हैन? तर मेकअप लगाउन कस्तो नक्कली भनेर कमेन्ट दिनेहरू थुप्रै हुन्छन्. त्यो कुरालाई चाहिँ जज नगरौँ भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ. What a profound thought. On that note, let's welcome contestant number 6. I love your smile. Oh my God. Somebody pass me shades. Too bright.
Namaste everyone, and hello to the beautiful crowd out there. I'm really excited to be in this stage tonight. My name is Garima Gewali and I'm contestant number 6, all the way from Arghakhanchi, Nepal, currently residing in Woodside, New York. I come from a very humble Nepali family background that values tradition, respect and hard work. An inspiration for my hard work has always been my mother. I love you, Mom. I'm 20 years old, discovering life and self. Being a very optimistic person, I took this opportunity to put myself forward and my existence for a worthy cause, to be a leader and spread awareness about issues ongoing, mostly emphasizing on women advocates, on menstrual discrimination, health sanitization. Even in this 21st century, women have to suffer so much. Which is why my passion lies in spawning and joining different organizations such as Chori, which supports both women and girls to be confident and outspoken. Working locally and healing globally, I tend to make translation progress in upcoming future. This is just a little thing this Chori standing in front of you has to offer. And today, I'm wearing Gunya Choli, not only representing one culture, but representing my whole nation, Nepal. Thank you so much.
Thank you, contestant number 6. आमा भनेपछि आमा याद आउँछ मलाई. यहाँ स्टेजमा भएको contestants-हरुको आमाहरु जो हुनुहुन्छ, can you make some noise? Can we hear them? All right. To wonderful woman who is a mother. Cheers to that. Anyway, let's continue. Contestant number 7, Aunus.
Life isn't easy, and it has never been. But that's what I appreciate about it, because the victory and the happiness post hardship and hard work is the sweetest feeling. Good evening and namaste, New York! My name is Jenny Rawat. I am contestant number 7. Currently residing in New York City, originally from Virendranagar, Nepal. Being brought up in various regions, I speak 4 languages and I love traveling. Here, I am a Nepali international student, recently graduated with Information Systems degree, and currently I am pursuing my dream degree of MBA. I aspire to be an entrepreneur and motivate the youth of our country to develop the nature of entrepreneurship and contribute in the economic development of our country. Together, I believe we can fulfill the dream of prosperous Nepal. And for my attire tonight, I am wearing this beautiful chupa, Bakku, which represents one of many ethnicities of our beautiful Himalayan region of Nepal. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you and enjoy your evening.
Thank you so much, Jenny. Contestant number 7. Can we have contestant number 8 on the center stage, please? Welcome. Looking absolutely beautiful. Ready?
नमस्ते विश्वमै उच्च शिखर
शिखर सगरमाथा रहेको देश नेपाल अनि नेपालभित्रको पनि सानो नेपाल भनेर चिनिने जिल्ला बागलुङबाट म मुना नेपाली। प्रतियोगी नम्बर 8। अहिले म न्युयोर्क राज्यलाई प्रतिनिधित्व गर्दैछु। यस प्रतियोगितामा म आफैलाई एक्सप्लोर गर्न र केही कुरा सिक्न भाग लिएकी हुँ। म महिलाको आर्थिक स्वतन्त्रतामा पूर्ण विश्वास राख्दछु। अहिलेको परिवेशमा प्रत्येक महिला आर्थिक रूपमा सक्षम र स्वनिर्भर हुनु अति आवश्यक छ। आगामी दिनमा आफ्नै व्यवसाय गर्ने योजनामा काम गर्दैछु। साथै महिला सशक्तिकरणको क्षेत्रमा केही योगदान दिन सकौँ भन्ने चाहन्छु र आफै एक उदाहरण बने महिलाहरू पनि सक्षम तथा असल व्यवसायी बन्न सक्छन् भन्ने कुरा पुष्टि गर्न चाहन्छु। र आज म यो अति सुन्दर नेपाली ढाकाको चोली र गुन्यु लगाएर आएकी छु, जुन हाम्रो नेपालमा निकै नै प्रख्यात रहेको छ र यसलाई पाल्पा लगायत केही क्षेत्रमा उत्पादन गरिन्छ र यसको हामीले अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय बजारमा पनि केही ल्याउन सक्यौँ भने यसको स्कोप निकै नै राम्रो देख्छु र आफ्नो भाषा, आफ्नो कला, आफ्नो संस्कृति र वेशभूषालाई जगेर्ना गरौँ र गर्न सिकौँ। धन्यवाद।
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच मुना, धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। भर्खरै यो विदेशमा नि हामी आफ्नो मातृभाषा सुन्दाखेरि झनै कस्तो मिठो सुन्दो रहेछ है, झनै स्टेजमा सुन्दा त। थ्याङ्क यू मुना फर रिमाइन्डिङ अस हाउ ब्युटिफुल आवर ल्याङ्ग्वेज नेपाली इज। Next up, contestant number 9, ready with a big bright smile, and that's a fancy looking bag. I think you'll tell us what that is, right?
Chajalo and namaste everyone! I am Naima Gurung, contestant number 9, originally from Pokhran, Nepal, and currently residing in Maryland. While pursuing a degree on arts management, I enjoy singing, dancing, and drawing. Apart from that, I'm extremely passionate about women's safety and self-defense. It's heartbreaking hearing news about our young women getting raped every day. There's at least 5 cases being reported in a day. So, in next few months, I visualize myself initiating campaigns, guiding women from gender inequality to gender justice, and stabilize the society. I look forward working with Fight Back Nepal for women's safety and security, and will not stop until the very end. And for the outfit tonight, I'm wearing this typical Guru dress representing my Guru people and my community. And for this bag, it's called, this is the traditional umbrella, I would say. We use this whenever we go to Mela in Nepal to protect ourselves from sun and rain. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
It does also look like an instrument for a fight back, huh? Anyway, contestant number 10, come on up. Introduce yourself to our beautiful audience. All the best.
Jorle and good evening everyone. My name is Namika Thapa and I am contestant number 10. Originally from the Tanahu district, I am currently residing in New York while pursuing my degree in human biology. I decided to join Miss Nepal North America because I want to share my story and change the way we think about mental health. In the past, I've faced silent battles with my own mental health issues, but with the help from my friends and family, I've been able to better manage it. But that is not the case for many people in Nepal, as they lack the support, resources, and awareness. Which is why I am on this stage tonight to advocate for mental health and speak my truth, which I hope in return will encourage you all to speak yours. Let's work together and break the stigma. As for my attire tonight, I'm wearing this beautiful mugger dress to represent my beautiful mugger community. Thank you and enjoy your evening.
Thank you so much. कस्तो गहन कुरा भनेर जानुभयो मेन्टल हेल्थको इस्यु अहिले बल्ल बल्ल हामी कुरा गर्न थालेका छौँ हामी सबैलाई कुनै न कुनै समयमा कसै न कसैको मद्दत चाहिएको हुन्छ just expressing what you feel, just expressing about your insecurities brings so much relief to yourself भन्ने कुरा हामी बिर्सन्छौँ कहिलेकाहीँ संसार जित्ने र परिवारलाई खुसी राख्ने चक्करमा आफूलाई चाहिँ बिर्सन्छौँ Thank you so much contestant number 10 for reminding us about our own self. Alright, contestant number 11 looking at me smiling कहिले बोलाउँछ भनेर बोलाइहाले ल आउनुस्
Namaste New York. I am contestant number 11 Pooja Khadka, born and raised in the busy city of Kathmandu and currently residing in the most vibrant city in the world, New York. My upbringing in Nepal was nourished by my education from Buranil Contest School, where I grew alongside people from all 77 districts of Nepal. I got to grow along with people with various different backgrounds. This gave me an opportunity to understand that the privilege of education is not universal. That's why I founded a club in 2015, a non-profit organization called ASHA, Arise to Avail Sansar. It was established back in 2015 and since 2015 it has been helping the Chepang community in Bandara, Chitwan. We have organized programs like giving out scholarships to students, awareness campaigns, opening jury contribution area and many other programs. Seeing what a youth-led organization like ASHA can do, it motivated me to look at my purpose in a bigger way. It was working. So, म आज यो प्लेटफर्म र आशाको थ्रुबाट त्यही मार्जिनलाइज बच्चाहरूको लागि एउटा आशाको किरण बन्न चाहन्छु धन्यवाद
Thank you so much. We pray हामी आशा गर्छौँ तपाईको त्यो आशा र इच्छा पूरा होस् भनेर. Let's continue. Contestant number 12, come on up. Join us center stage and introduce yourself.
मैले मुख लुकाएर हिँडेको छु कसम मेरो आमाको झर्दै गरेको आँसुमा यो अशुद्ध हो सबै गाली सुनेर हिँडेको छु तर पनि गर्व छ मलाई कि म एक दलित हो भनेर चिनिएको छु रङ रूप र थालमा खाने भातको घाँस एउटै म जन्मिँदै अछुत किन जबकि लास उठाउने बाँस एउटै My aim is to empower all my Dalit brothers and sisters who have been afraid and are vulnerable in our Nepali community because they have been labeled as untouchable. Namaste, my name is Roshika Gajmer, contestant number 12. Originally from Japa, Nepal, and I'm currently residing in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. As I'm focusing on becoming an ultrasound tech, I enjoy singing. And I believe that my voice has the power to touch many people's hearts. My last name could be a problem in our society, but I know my singing won't. And as for my dress tonight, I'm wearing this beautiful Gunuchili made out of Dhaka, which represents our culture in Nepal. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good night.
Well, most of you might think tonight is about beauty and braid or beauty with braid, but I think tonight is about beauty and bravery with all these women. Next up, contestant number 13. Come on over, join me in the center stage.
Number 13. Currently residing in Colorado, I am from the deep blue waters of Auckland, New Zealand. Rooted with the strongest and richest of cultures from the valleys of Kathmandu. Growing up, my father told me two things. He told me that our mind and our heart are our biggest advisors. Our mind are constantly telling us the safest options, whereas our heart tells us our truest desires and always push for the risk. While completing my degree in a Bachelor's of Biology, I decided to listen to my heart and take the risk. Today, I'm an entrepreneur and a proud business owner of my own beauty and apparel line called Ganchigo Wear. Through this business, I have been able to work with She Nepal, which is a non-profit organization that helps young women in Nepal be educated about menstrual health and provide them with necessary sanitary products. In the future, I hope to open up my own non-profit organization that will target the entrepreneurial ecosystem in Nepal and be able to help young girls reach their dreams and desires. As for my outfit tonight, I am wearing this three-piece darker material outfit that I designed myself, which represents both my Western and Nepali identity. Thank you so much.
How much talent can one person have? I think the answer is unlimited. Congratulations on having your own brand at this young age and still chasing for more. Next up, contestant number 14. Are you ready? Anas, come join me. Let's razzle dazzle the crowd. All the best.
Hills, mountains, lakes, and gushing rivers, with animals and birds wandering and lizards. Lands covered with flora and fauna in ample. I'm not a poet, but hey, that's our beautiful country, Nepal! Good evening, New York. I am Shizana Lama, currently residing in New York, all the way from the Open Museum, Bhaktapur. My major in human services and mental health has given me a better understanding of the importance of community and its people. As a woman who finds happiness in helping others, I was able to volunteer my efforts, my time to various fundraiser programs during the pandemic. I also had the very good fortune to work with a non-profit organization like New York Common Pantry, whose motive is to provide healthy meals and groceries to the needy families and poor families. My social impact is to work and help the homeless population